Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to book a flight ticket on SalamAir. So friends, if you want to book a flight ticket, follow me in this video. Go to SalamAir, this is official website. From here, select your depart and arrival time. For example, you have go to this section and then click search. Just write your location you want to go and then you will see this page. In this page, select your depart and then it's arrived and then click continue. After that, select your depart, choose this plan and then click continue. After that, when you select your depart and flight, click continue, select your flight returning, for example, this one, and then click continue. So after that, complete your process. After write all details here, you can modify the search and then go to checkout page. This is for a checkout page. For example, this is a checkout page, as I say. Click continue and then complete your checkout page. So this is how you can do. Just select your amount you want to pay and then go to checkout page. This is for a checkout page and then complete your pay. This is total pay. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this